result was a test of the weather radio station WXJ 93 Crydersville, Ohio, public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Allen, Auglaize, Defiance, Hancock, Harding, Logan, Mercer, Paulding, Putnam, Shelby, Van Wert, and Wyandotte. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station WXJ 93 Crydersville, Ohio. During the warning that potentially severe weather, special receivers are activated to warn us the impending hazard. Plots for these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of severe weather on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working condition. The tone alert will be automatically activated for selected watches and warnings to the following counties: the one in Indiana, Porter, St. Joseph, Elkhart, LaGrange, Stern, Osceola, Marshall, Cavallo, Noble, McAllen, Woodall, Miami, Wombat, Huntington, Wells, Adams, Durant, Murphy, Weather, James, in Ohio, Ohio, Defiance, Henry, Paul, and Weather, St. Joseph, Wooddale, www.weather.gov and click on the local information. We now turn to the local now for the official national weather. The Weather Service weather radio warns alarms for the KZ 47 on the area of Northwest Ohio. During potentially dangerous weather situations, reception field receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon mid-70s. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather, the area Thursday will be postponed until the following day.